Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Stranded Deep. Now, when we left off, we had everything we needed to build our boat motor. So, let's get building. But, I can't. Why can't I? Let's try again. Typical. Okay, well we got one thing now. Right. Engine. Duct tape. Duct tape doesn't do anything. Okay. Right, well, stick. Carburetor. Do I need to be in the vicinity of the raft? That's something I didn't think of. Well, I've done this once before. I should remember how to do it. No. Well, what? What have I forgotten then? To Google. Alright, well that's loading. So, it doesn't like duct tape for some reason. Everything's there. Why aren't you behaving? I don't know why I can't. Maybe it's just the duct tape. Let's go and get another duct tape. Where did I put my duct tape? Here we are. Right. You, go away. You, come with me. No. Why not? Damn it! Why the fuck not? Seriously, it's just because I'm not in the vicinity of the raft. Or am I genuinely missing something? Right. Right. Okay. One duct tape. One fuel tank. What? Shouldn't the duct tape be doing something though? Seriously, what the hell is wrong with the duct tape? Right, fuel tank. Propeller. Engine. I got those the wrong way around, but never mind. Carburetor. Stick. Nothing. God damn it! Seriously. What the hell? Sorry, I'm Googling. It says you've just got to drag. Something about dragging the items carefully into the right place. But that's just not doing anything at all. No, that doesn't work. You have to build it next to a raft. I have a raft. I'm right next to the raft. What the hell? Trying saving and reloading didn't work, everything. Right. I really hope this isn't the case, but it looks like this might be a known issue, and you may have to start a new game. I really don't want that to happen. Let's just try putting everything on the raft. Now you see, why does it highlight it when I go to drop it, but then... I think my duct tapes have glitched out. Damn it. Well... maybe I need to find a new duct tape or something, I don't know. I've tried 2 different ones though, so the problem's probably not there. There, see, it highlights it for 1 second. God damn it! The fuck is wrong with this? See, why are you working there? That makes no sense. Let's just try both of these duct tapes. One of them's got to work, surely. No. Just nothing. Damn it. Seriously, I really don't get why that's not working. Okay, well, there's not really a lot I can do about that for now. So, I think I've explored everything else, which is really annoying now, because I really want to go to another island and see if I can find something, but I may have to do it the old-fashioned way. It's just typical. Get everything I need to finally build the boat motor and it doesn't bloody work. Well, let's do channel crossing in the morning. In fact, I'm probably going to do it in the next episode now. So much for this being an interesting episode. Right, well. Okay, I need some food before I go then. Do I have potatoes anywhere? I could have sworn I had like a small stack of potatoes somewhere. I guess not. Well, let's go find some more then. I can't remember, I haven't been on this island in so long, I've forgotten where the potato plants are. I'm really pissed off about that bow motor now. Why the fuck wouldn't it work? Right, water. Where are my buckets? buckets. I had a load of buckets. What have I done with them? Seriously, where are all my water buckets? I swear I had a load of water buckets. Don't tell me I've lost some stuff in this game already and it's glitching on me. Seriously, where the actual fuck are my buckets? I think it has glitched on me, you know. I really don't want to have to start again. Seriously, I had like 3 or 4 buckets and they're all gone. This is not good. Damn it. Well, I have to use my emergency bottle of water then. That'll have to do. And we shall have to start our channel hopping in the next episode. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. Do my bit for trash in the ocean. In fact, let's throw it further out. It's going to look ugly there. Yes, as always, like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.